Hello friends, hope doing good. I'm come back with new topics. Today I'll show you how you can share calendar on your iPhone. So if you want to share your calendar, I mean any specific date, you can invite any other people. So how you can do it? So if you want to like this, then you should go to like calendar, open. Then you can choose any specific date. If you want to make any event, you just press and hold little bit time. Then here in just add the invitation name, meeting. You can add location and done. Especially you should just invitation here. Here will be you can try to type email address. Then if you can done, then if you add now meeting will be settled, and also I got the email. So this is the point and easy. And let me know if you have any question. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.